Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, hi, this is Disha Karvat. Welcome to my channel and please don't forget to subscribe. So today's topic is on how to get rid of blackheads, whiteheads, pores, etc. So I have got this simple remedy and with simple 3 ingredients that you will find in your kitchen, and it's very easy to do. You don't need expensive products to get rid of all those things. So yes, before getting into the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. By doing so, don't forget to hit the bell icon. So yes, please keep watching. So we need 3 ingredients. First, half tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin is available in each and every medical store. If not, then you can always use honey instead of glycerin. Now adding coffee to the baking soda, adding the 1 tablespoon of glycerin to the paste. Remember to mix it really very well till there are no lumps. The paste is now ready. Now take a toothbrush with soft bristles and dip into the paste. Start applying on your nose. Baking soda helps in neutralizing pH imbalance that our skin has. It removes the dead skin cells and material that clogs pores and leads to blackheads. Coffee is an excellent exfoliator and also helps in tightening your skin for a youthful look. Glycerin is a natural moisturizer which helps in smoothing your skin and keep the required moisture locked in the skin. I'm also applying on my forehead, on my nose and chin. You have to keep it for 20 minutes. Now washing it off. My skin feels amazing, guys, and also the T-zone area has become so smooth. I can definitely see the visible results of this paste. I hope you all try this at home and do let me know in the comment section below whenever you do it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, guys, for daily beauty hacks. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye. See you.